covered in oil.
Take this!
You should be able to break the outer shell if you keep attacking. It sprays something like oil. Don't get it on you. Something big to break its outer shell. Use psychokinesis. That attack worked. There must be a weak spot.
Here we go! Alright!
I'm going to get stronger.
I'll get this done! Let's keep this up!
Ooh, that's a big blaze.
Thanks, Nabi!
Damage to outer shell confirmed. Keep going and break it. Shell breach confirmed. Put the pressure on.
Here we go!
Down! Now's our chance! All right.
You look like you're getting used to combat, Yuito. You're in good shape. Thank you very much. You're almost at the center of the forecast point. Stay frosty, everyone.
Captain Seto, this is where the others were anticipated to be, right?
We did run into some on the way here.
No, if this was the anticipated area, it should be swarming with others.
Wataru, any others around us?
This doesn't seem like the right place. Maybe there was some mistake. The communication lines are also too clear. I'm checking the other report again.
Wataru, what's wrong?
Captain, we're surrounded.
Above us!
Is that OSF?
Hey, Wataru. Was another unit deployed here?
No use. We're being jammed. It's probably because of them.
Seto, I still can't believe it. How can you support such horrific research?
Gemma? What are you talking about?
You really don't know. Are you being serious? If so, come with me now and do not resist.
Gemma, are you defying orders? If you don't align with Major General Karin's ideals, then you...
Yuito? Captain Seto? What is Seto Platoon doing here?
Kyoka, can you back us up? We need to withdraw.
Right. It's ridiculous for us to fight our allies.
Gemma, come with me. Tell me what's gotten into you.
No,
We'll draw off the OSF around us. I doubt they are willing to take on 2 Septentrions.
Would you say the same if it were me, Luca?
Karin.
Luca. I knew you would be here.
Leave my brother to me.
Don't fool yourself! Come at me all together. I'll take you on.
We really have to fight Major General Karin? He's never won an OSF and is a brain eater.
It's too bad it came to this. Get it together. We don't know how he'll attack.
How about this?
My body is numb. Major General Karin, why are you attacking us? Is this all you're doing? What did you say to Gamma? Answer me, Karin!
Knowing won't solve anything. Even if I answer, your fate won't change at all.
It's pointless to struggle.
Instigating the OSF for your own personal gain goes against reason. I can't condone what you're doing, but please explain. I want to understand.
You can't stop me.
Karin!
Fool. You won't get in my way. Can you dodge this?
Time for my power, Yuito.
Squirm! This is what real power looks like.
That's gonna leave a mark.
The game stopped. I see. So it's different this time. Understood. However...
No! Everyone, get back!
Nagi!
This is bad. I need to find someone. What the hell's going on? I don't understand any of this. Why are Gemma and Major General Karin attacking us? Same with the other OSF. Dan, someone tell me what's going on!